it's really nice to visit your garden when you feel like bored or stressed out.
Ayan, praise God, ang ganda-ganda ng mga plants. And the nature and the creation declares the glory of the Lord. Yan, we're so thankful for all the good things that we see all around us.
Hi, Star. Hi everybody, welcome to Japinay channel, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And so today po, I'm here at our backyard garden, and I kind of like the weather because it's very cloudy and gloomy po yung weather.
I'm thankful that the Lord has given us another beautiful day and the peace that we can find in His presence and also in His creations, the nature all around us. It gives us peace and joy and love.
And I like this kind of weather kasi hindi siya mainit. And because as you know, our country, Philippines, is very hot. And mga ganitong weather po is I feel so relaxing, and ayun po. And I love this kind of weather because malamig yung hangin, and kasi sa Pilipinas ang init, and ganitong weather is very relaxing and refreshing. So ngayon po ay mag-harvest po ako ng lettuce for our later dinner, para sa dinner namin mamaya na ipapartner namin sa grilled meat. So we love eating lettuce kasi it's very crispy and fresh and super healthy for your body. And also po, we grow our own, most of our vegetables we grow here sa sariling garden namin. I mean, on our own, or on our garden. And we like that we grow our own vegetables kasi po walang kasamang insecticide and napaka-fresh and organic pag ikaw mismo ang magtatanim ng sarili mong mga vegetables. And yun po. Now, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aming mga lettuce. So, ito po yung lettuce namin sa garden namin, and it's very organic and fresh, and we don't need to spend money to go out and spend time to go out. And sometimes, most sa mga groceries or markets, wala po kayong makikitang lettuce na nagbebenta. So, kaya nagtanim na lang talaga kami ng sarili naming mga lettuce. It's very nice to grow your own vegetables, your own lettuce. Ang dami nila, as in. So, ang dami namin kinuha last time, ang dami namin hinarvest, pero kinakat lang po namin yung dahon kasi tutubo pa rin to siya. Dito po, hanggang dito lang, kinakat namin. Bale, hindi namin kukunin yung puno talaga kasi tutubo pa siya ng dahon. And it's very nice na magkaroon ka ng sarili mong lettuce sa backyard mo, sa garden mo, kasi napaka-fresh. Pag gusto mong mag-harvest, parang pupunta ka lang dito, and anytime mong gustong kumain ng lettuce, nandyan lang.
As you can see, gumamit po kami ng mga recycled na containers as pots ng mga lettuce. And yung mga iba is, yung technique nila is hydroponics. Pero kami po is soil kasi napaka-fertile ng soil namin. Now, I'm picking up yung mga matured na leaves, yung mga nasa baba, hindi yung mga bagong tubo, yung mga nasa taas. And wag nyo pong kunin yung lahat ng puno kasi tumutubo pa rin siya after na ikakat nyo. And Super healthy pa rin nila kahit ilang beses na kaming kumuha dito. And yung mga leaves nila, green na green talaga. Wala talagang snail na kumakain sa mga dahon. Everyday po kaming kumukuha ng mga lettuce dito and hindi po siya nauubos, parang unlimited. And that's the advantage of growing your own lettuce sa mga backyard nyo po. Instead of buying sa labas. Hindi po kami naglalagay ng mga fertilizer and purely organic lang po ito. In my next videos, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga tips para healthy talaga ang mga lettuce nyo. Lettuce are high in nutrients but low in calories. Lettuce has a high water content which keep you hydrated and feeling full. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants and it's an excellent source of vitamin A. It's packed with vitamin K and may help lower your blood pressure and may promote weight loss. It's so easy to grow lettuce even if you have small areas. On my next videos, I will show you my lettuce growing tips that will keep your garden and salad bowl full of crisp green lettuce. Ayan na yung mga kinuha natin kanina, malinis na, and napaka-crispy talaga nila and super fresh, and that's the perks of having it in your own garden.
So mag-grill din po kami ng eggplant for side dish para sa dinner. So mag-grill din po kami ng salmon. Ito po yung salmon. And maglalagay po tayo ng garlic and salt and black pepper and lime for seasoning. Hindi pa ready.
Maglalagay po tayo ng olive oil para hindi po didikit mamaya sa foil paper. Ayan, ilalagay muna natin yung isda sa foil paper para hindi siya didikit mamaya dun sa pang-ihaw. And at saka para hindi siya madumihan.
Oh, shit. CS lang ang 260 kaya manawara ko.
Ayan, luto na. Mukhang masarap naman. I can't wait to try it later.
Tapos na parang kulang pa. Kulang pa talaga. Oh, kulang pa. Okay na. Sige, mabawaan ko lang po. Yan lang po yung pang-grill namin kasi nasira po yung pang-grilling namin last time. Medyo conventional po. Itong ganitong way. Ilang minutes yata yan? 3 siguro. 3 minutes?
Ayan, napakasarap din po ang isda pag ilalagay nyo siya sa lettuce wraps nyo. Yung flavor niya is nagbe-blend talaga sa lettuce and mabubusog kayo agad. So ngayon, nag-grilled na po yung eggplant and babalatan natin yan. Ang hirap balatan kasi hindi siya masyadong luto. So anyway, I'm sure na masarap to mamaya kasi lalagyan natin siya ng tomatoes and lime and onions. You know guys that eggplants are a great source of vitamins and minerals. That's why favorite namin yung eggplant, and it helps with digestion, improves heart health, prevents cancer, improves bone health, prevents anemia, and increases brain function.
So, nakakapagod talaga guys magbalat ng talong.
Oh, so ready na po ang dinner namin, and we're very hungry now.
Ito yung bago na kinakain. Homemade bago. Homemade naman. Homemade ba?
Oo, kami
Homemade bago with eggplant. So,
Wala si 4 months kasi.
So, partner sa talong.
So here's our grilled salmon, and for seasoning we added some oregano and thyme and cayenne pepper.
O, hindi kasi siya niya.
Ayan po, nilalagyan namin ng mango sa loob ng lettuce and some meat. Yun pong paglagay ng mango sa loob ng lettuce wraps is from my sister's idea. And I just want to try it. And it works. Masarap naman. And if you want, try this also. I'm curious if you're doing the same thing, putting mangoes in your lettuce wraps. If you do, feel free to comment down sa comment section natin. I am also curious about sa lettuce wraps nyo, kung paano yung ginagawa. If you want to share, just comment down below the comment section. I would love to try it for myself.
So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo po itong video. If nagustuhan nyo po, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because later on, I will show you our vegetables, yung mga vegetables na tinatanim namin sa garden namin. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano and some tips for vegetable gardening.